Yes, what's your name, please?
Sir, my name is Abhay Kumar Mahakur.
Abhay Kumar?
Mahakur.
Abhay Kumar Mahakur, yes. Mr. Mahakur, will you please introduce yourself?
Sir, I am Abhay Kumar Mahakur from Attabira block, Bargarh district. I have completed my graduation from College of Agriculture OUT Bhubaneswar. I am currently working in FCI as assistant grade 3 technical.
Fertilizer Corporation, Food Corporation.
Food Corporation of India.
Food Corporation. Attabira re?
Yes, sir.
Attabira you are working as a Food Corporation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. ये OUT ना 2022 रे?
Yes, sir.
Agronomy, soil science, seed science.
Subject agriculture, na?
Yes, sir.
Agriculture.
So you belong to Attabira.
Yes, sir.
So as you know, I was working in Attabira as video and Tahsildar. So
Yes, sir.
I'm a little bit conversant with your area.
Yes.
Maybe Beden, Attabira and that Baror part actually.
Yes, sir.
Quite irrigated actually.
Yes, sir.
Due to
Hirakud.
water availability from Hirakud. Tell us regarding the cropping pattern actually that we follow there. Is it relevant to continue with the rice cultivation just because we have irrigation, or being an agriculture student in agriculture, you need to improve things or suggest something so that maybe there is a rotation in cropping or that will add economy to your own area?
Yes, sir. Sir, Attabira is also known as the rice bowl of Odisha. And due to irrigation facility as in the source of Hirakud Dam, the rice cultivation is very high, and the process is very familiar to the farmers there, so they are continuing with it. And as the MSP and all the fertilizer subsidies, they are continuing with it. But as they are working year by year, the monocropping going on, the soil fertility is decreasing, and for which to supplement it, they are using a huge amount of fertilizer in the source of urea, which is making the soil very toxic by the day, and due to which the cancer rate has also grown up very high in that area.
Is there any research? There is a direct link between excessive use of fertilizer, insecticide, pesticides,
I want to say the
cancer.
question because Attabira chargers actually. Forget the rice part actually.
Yes.
Tomorrow problem होची, you are harvesting rice in Kharif season, आज कल दिन Rabi season, but double cropping करो, दीथर जाकर, माने rice followed by rice. तापरे naturally जो कोई soil structure, soil health निश्चय नहीं किच्छा, पहले छोड़. To maintain that tempo in production, तुम्हें आउरी चिंतित जाओ, rightly कोई.
More urea.
You are adding more and more, and because also. So it all ठीक चलती. What exactly you will suggest actually?
No,
You
sir.
have to diversify the crop. खाली को rice करते हो क्या?
No, sir. The irrigation is a very good benefit for the people, and so they should divert the production and they should follow crop rotation as the.
कौन कुछ कहेगा? मुझे ये तो बचाती है जितने agriculture पिला अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
Crop rotation तो था कुछ. Naturally rice followed by rice समाचार.
Yes, sir.
अन्य किसी हो नहीं. ठीक अच्छे MSP पाउचे, plenty of rice अच्छी, and technically rice is a water guzzling plant. So that is not a problem. Problem होची, you are continuing with rice. Rice has its own problem actually. मैं जानी मैं तुम्हारे point में cancer का था कहूँगा. Living cancer apart, even तुम्हारे सिटी suicide rate भी अधिक है.
Yes.
मैं जानी कि वो बहुत चर्चा में रहती है. But actually that's the same problem. Suppose in case there is a failure to the crop,
Yes.
बुरे खंडे investment bank loan नहीं थे.
For rice production, I have seen that the farmer who is cultivating more than 10 acres, only he is benefiting, and the small and marginal farmer are not so much benefited by cultivating rice only. Yes, sir. They are dominating it, and they are
They are the owners of the land?
No, sir. They are rent owner. Too much.
सुनो समय कौन कौन छती तुम गोदावरी कृष्णा बेसिन
Yes, sir.
जगह बिक्री दे सर्विस कर डिस्प्लेस होता है बहुत पैसा पाइले छती
Yes, sir.
एठी आसी तुम सस्ता जगह किन दी बट एनी लीड देसा नथिंग टू डू विथ बट एनी तुम जो कहू एक्चुअली जो टॉक्सिक एनवायरनमेंट होची सॉइल प्रोवाइड हेल्थ स्टेटस होची टॉक्सिसिटी होची एंड इट विल एडेड टू द बेस कैंसर जो कहो सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वुड सजेस्ट क्रॉप प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए तुम्हें you have to take into account that your region is your region is irrigated or not. No, except खरमुंडा छाड़ देले नो कि खरमुंडा जानछ तो
yes
except खरमुंडा छाड़ देले पंचायत छाड़ देले तुमर सब जगह irrigated
yes
अते ब्राट
yes
बेटर भी इक्वली एरिया बरोड भी तुमर इक्वली भी बहुत इरिगेशन पोटेंशियल अछि सो कोन तुम चाहि कोन को केमति एनकरेज करिवो नै तुमर इनकम रहइबो एतिक रहइबो तुम धान करनी धान रही these are the hazards of cultivating rice for centuries together एबे तुम ए क्रॉप को आसो तुम आय पैसा पाइबो बट तुम धन जीवन रक्षा करिवो तुम हेल्थ ठीक कोन
sir as in Punjab area to divert the farmers they are giving an extra incentive of some amount certain amount to the farmers so we can implement that in our area and also the in certain scheme like farm prawn plus integrated farming government is giving subsidies in loan so that they
किछि राइस सब्सिडी पाइबो नि
sir millet and vegetables the vegetable is very scarce as people are moving far from vegetables so the Delhi market is not getting enough vegetables and there the middlemen are intermediates are benefiting due to that they are bringing vegetables from other area and the price is very high
sir why Rajasthan is arid actually when we are getting monsoon we are getting rainfall from monsoon
yes.
why Rajasthan is arid why Rajasthan has deserts not other states
sir due to the alienation of the Aravalli ranges the monsoon there goes parallelly and due to which the orographic rainfall cannot be can occur in that area so western part of Rajasthan is arid
what about Bay of Bengal branch that also visits Rajasthan
sir
Bay of Bengal branch also visits Rajasthan
yes sir due to which the eastern part is getting rainfall but the western part which comes under leeward side of the wind monsoon wind so it can't get enough rainfall and that's why it is arid
what is the El Nino effect
sir El Nino effect is the heating of Pacific Ocean towards the nearer to the Chile coast as a result it amounts for high pressure zone in the Arabian Sea so the monsoon wind cannot come into India as there is high pressure it should be low pressure in Arabian Sea for the monsoon to be effective
so there is a deficit in rainfall are you saying deficit or surplus rainfall
sir in El Nino effect there is deficit of rainfall in India
What are greenhouse gases?
sir major greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide carbon monoxide methane
Where from carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide they come from?
sir usually they come from automobiles and industry sector
Any other else?
sir I can't recall
Why?
them.
There is no power plant. Coal is not burning
yes
in power
yes
plant.
sir yes sir fuel is also fossil fuel also are the major source of
Yes,
contributors
fossil fuel.
yes
Burning of fossil fuels in power plants in other industries, we get carbon dioxide emitted to the atmosphere. Where from the methane emanated?
sir methane is emitted from wetlands and one such wetland are the rice field submerged rice field are
Yes.
major contributor of methane
Cattle population.
cattle yes sir dung also have methane
And where from this nitrous oxide, sulfur oxides, dioxides, they come to the atmosphere. Where from? The source. What is the source? Nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, all these come to the atmosphere. From which source?
sir the sulfur dioxide they are secondary sources the sulfur in the atmosphere that react with water and causes sulfur dioxide
Source ta kaun?
sir nitrous oxide source is also fertilizer urea fertilizer
One part. Second part, vehicular pollution. Automobiles. Automobile रे आमे जो डीजल पेट्रोल पड़ुचे तार बाई प्रोडक्ट कौन नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड सल्फर ऑक्साइड एंड योर कार्बन मोनोक्साइड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कार्बन मोनोक्साइड रो केते तार एयर रे तार नॉर्म्स ता केते ppm रहया कथा कार्बन मोनोक्साइड
सर कान रिकॉल
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड केते रहया
सर 0.03% इन एटमॉस्फेयर
एबे केते अछि
कान रिकॉल
0.04% है कार्बन मोनोक्साइड इट शुड बी 50 ppm
yes.
if you are exposed to carbon monoxide environment what will happen
Sir, carbon monoxide bind with hemoglobin and the binding rate is very higher than oxygen. So it will cause suffocation and breathing related diseases in human beings.
Correct. Good. And how we will reduce the greenhouse gases
Sir, firstly we have to check the emission from the power plants and all the industries and all together
how to reduce हमर तो डेली बड़ी बड़ी जाउची माने कोल इंडिया 700 मिलियन टन करला ए वर्ष 720 करिवो 770 करिवो पुनी आवरी 200 मिलियन टन इंपोर्ट करिवो 900 मिलियन 1000 मिलियन टन पड़छो तम केमति कमेबा हम
sir, as we India is a developing country and going through the development process, so we cannot compromise with the industries. So the emission should be processed and the gas which are coming out should be minimal in the toxic gases content.
Have you heard carbon neutral? What is carbon neutral?
Sir, carbon neutral is the amount of carbon coming out from the sources should be equal to the sink means which are going into the plant and utilized. So in the atmosphere it should be net zero.
That is and in which year we target to be carbon neutral
Sir, by 2070 India has targeted to be carbon neutral.
Prime Minister has
Huge,
heavy. तो वर्तमान हमरो हमें
tell us what is the greatest carbon sink in the world? What is
Sir,
the greatest carbon sink?
Ocean is the greatest carbon sink in the world. And in the land area, Amazon forest is the greatest carbon sink. Yes.
Why is it so famous, Amazon?
Sir, due to rainforest, it has dense forest and have the canopy are taller and dense. So it is a very good carbon sink and has house a diverse source of animals and plants.
Tell us let me ask a question from the current events. What do you see the future of Israel and Hamas war?
Sir, as it was started as a point of retaliation due to the attack by Hamas, but Israel is taking advantage of it and going far deeper into the Gaza region and West Bank region. So before that scene escalate and the Israel come into war with neighboring Islamic states like Iran and Egypt, they should compromise with many bilateral talks and multilateral talks.
What to compromise with whom? With terrorists?
No sir,
Or
with
terrorist
no sir, no. There is no compromise. Compromise should be done with terrorists, but many children and innocent people are losing their lives in that area, and not only not only Gaza people, but also Israelis people are also affected by the war. And with Israel, all around the world, the spillover effect is seen. As in case of Bangladesh, where the Sheikh Hasina was dethroned, but the effect was seen in India also. The minorities were persecuted, and with that in India also, in many of our Odisha region, the West Bengal people are being targeted as Bengalis. So that will be the case
So
in
you have seen some recent videos. Is it
No sir, no videos. We have seen live sir in our area, and many
Tell me which area?
sir in our Bargat area also many workers are there, construction workers, and they are from basically from West Bengal, but they are
Are they targeted?
yes
Are they
sir,
Bengali?
yes sir.
Mane thinking
Not
them as
West Bengal
Bangladesh.
actually, we may say it, they are not
No,
actually West Bengal, they are actually from Bangladesh.
No sir, many our senior who are from West Bengal, they are also feeling the heat now. So the bigotry or the persecution should not go there.
Is there any prosecution going on in Congar courts in Bangladesh?
Sir, kangaroo courts
Not
are
a Congar courts, but yes, there is some bigotry. Yes.
yes sir.
Some intolerance is there actually.
Yes. So the people who are illegal migrants, they should be deported with due process of law. But people should not be in universally target all the people.
बाबूजी ठीक अच्छी बाबूजी अप्रोच इज गुड मतलब जो टिके खाली हेयर स्टाइल इंप्रूव करो सो
fluency हो,
कंटेंट क्लैरिटी ठीक अच्छी योर अप्रोच इज ऑल्सो गुड particularly your last question it's okay actually there is no reason actually there is no point in being biased either in favor of Israel or Gaza. Yes, you have to draw a line in between. Right to life is there. Right to statehood is there, right to life is there. You cannot really kill innocent people. It is not their fault. Somebody else is committing crime and unnecessarily innocent people are getting killed. It's true enough actually. So now the world should come together and should see that the peace prevails and the innocent lives are saved.
Yes.
Thank you, Mauji.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir.
बोली बोला राइट बोला हाँ
Thank you.
ଭଲ ଅଛି ଟିକେ କହି ମାନେ ଟିକେ
Humble करते
ଭଲ ଅଛି ଆମେ 22 ଟି ଇଏ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ नो पॉइंट इन बीइंग बायस्ड
ସେପଟୁ ସରିଲାଣି